If you're a consultant or a service provider, you know how frustrating it can be to onboard new clients. You often need to show them a new piece of software or a new website that they have never seen before. Now, you could record a training video, but that takes a lot of time and clients rarely watch them. So today, I'm going to show you a faster and easier way to onboard clients with a tool that actually works. Hello everyone, Scott Friesen here at Simpletivity, helping you to simplify your tools so you can take back control. And just a few minutes ago, I created this beautiful, easy to follow, step-by-step guide, 12 steps in total, and it took me only 33 seconds to create. That's right. If I was to create a video, it probably would have taken me more than 33 seconds just to get set up, let alone record that video. So how did I create such an easy to follow guide in such a short amount of time? Well, what I'm using is a tool called Scribe, which is by far the easiest way for you to create step-by-step guides. The reason being, all you need to do is perform the actions. Go to the website or the portal or the piece of software that you want to train others on and just do the steps, and it will automatically create the guide for you. So let me show you exactly how it's done. In my case, when I onboard a new client, I want them to be familiar with Trello and how to perform a few specific steps here within Trello. Now, I could record that video, but that's going to take an awful lot of time. Why don't I just do those steps and have the guide created for me? Now, to get started with Scribe, all you need to do is install the browser extension, and that's going to open up a side panel here where I can start to capture what I want to teach or what I want others to know. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that Start Capture button, and now Scribe is going to capture everything that I do on screen. So for example, maybe the first thing that I want them to do is come over here to this card, and I want them to open it up, and I want them to add a comment. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in add a comment in this field and click Save. I'm going to close this card, and then I'm going to come over here to this card over here, and I want them to add a label. So again, I'm just going through exactly what I want them to do. I then want to come down here and I want them to check off something in a checklist. And let's just stop right there. You'll notice on the right-hand side of the screen, it is capturing absolutely everything that I am doing in real time. It's even putting where I have clicked my cursors and even adding some descriptive text such as click on upload required documents. This is going to work for any website, anything that you do within your browser. When I'm finished, I can come down here to the bottom and select Complete Capture. And what it's going to do is put together my user guide so it is ready to share. Now, in this case, it took me 50 seconds because I was showing you how to do it. But as we scroll down, let's take a look at what it has actually done. Number one, it's going to include the actual website address that you were capturing. So you don't have to, again, write in so many additional details. You don't need to be writing an exhaustive, descriptive list of click here, click there, enter in. It's going to capture in all that information as well. But this is all editable as well. So for example, if this is not quite the same address that they will be logging into, I can edit that here as well. As we scroll down, you can see it's going to have this orange circle wherever I have clicked. Here it's giving me the descriptive text. Click watch this first, how we work together. Click write a comment over here. Type add a comment. Now maybe I don't want them to type add a comment. I'm just going to say type or add your own comments, something like that. So that's how easy it is to edit this user guide. We can continue to go down and edit and change anything that we need. For example, if I don't want to specify to click X here to close the card, I could simply delete this step altogether. Just like that, it's gone. So if there's any step that you need to edit or you need to remove, or possibly rearrange, You can do that here within Scribe as well. When I'm done, I can say done editing, and now this user guide is ready for me to share. I can go ahead and click that share link up at the top of the screen. I can add email addresses. I can choose to embed it if I want to, or I could export this guide as well to a PDF version if I like. If you do decide to subscribe to a paid version of Scribe, there's a variety of other ways in which you can export and share your guides as well. But there's one additional feature that I don't want you to miss out on. This might just change everything altogether. You'll notice here at the top of each of the screens, there is an option here to guide me. So rather than just having them follow along and come back and reference this user guide, which is already much more helpful than watching or scrubbing or searching within a video, Scribe can actually guide you step by step within your browser. Let me show you. If I click on this Guide Me button, it's going to open up my Trello account and it's going to tell me what I need to be doing. Right on screen, it's telling me to click here. Okay, then what? Then, click here to write a comment. Add my own comments. All right, here is my comment. You can see that it is walking me through exactly what I need to do on screen in real time. Now, of course, I could view it here on the right-hand side if I wanted to as well. That's a very helpful way of following along. But I absolutely love how Scribe is giving me instructions right here on the screen. Rather than referencing another document, I can actually follow along and click exactly where I need to be. I'm learning step by step in real time on the exact website or portal or software where you need to help your clients. So if you want to save time and stop answering so many questions from your new onboarding clients, get started with Scribe. You can use Scribe absolutely for free by going to scribe.how/simple. And if you have any questions about how to use Scribe, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you deserve to work without feeling overwhelmed.